Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Nissan Pathfinder trunk from inside full guide. Locate the interior release lever typically on the driver's side rear seat area and pull firmly to unlatch the trunk. If there is a button, press and hold for 1 second while steadying the seat. If access is limited, fold the rear seat forward to reach the release or use the emergency glow handle safely. Start by ensuring the vehicle is parked and the ignition is off so you can safely move seats and reach the release. Inspect the rear seat seam and driver's side footwell for a lever or button that operates the trunk latch. Fold the rear seat forward if necessary, then reach through the opening to pull the release. Practice this once or twice so you can perform it smoothly when needed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more car tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and it handles crumbs and dirt after a trunk access project. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If someone is trapped or you cannot reach the conventional release, locate the glowing emergency handle inside the trunk and pull firmly to disengage the latch. The handle usually illuminates and releases the lock, so the trunk can be pushed open from the inside. After opening, inspect the latch for debris or damage and contact roadside assistance if the mechanism remains resistant or broken to avoid further issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.